We have a new arrival today at Westport Auto Center. This is a stunning 1958 Mercedes 190SL Roadster, red bamboo interior, just absolutely a stunning car. Receipts on the motor being redone, tons of receipts on this car. Just a super nice car, fun car. Great running car. Carbs have been redone as well. So I got probably about almost 2 inches worth of receipts together on the vehicle. Just unbelievable car. There's all the tags are still intact. Just a great running car. Drives excellent. Find all these pictures at www.westportautocenter.com. Again, that's www.westportautocenter.com. The car was had a very comprehensive restoration a few years ago. Still standing tall. There are a few little nicks, a few little chips on the car. Just still really nice car. Priced accordingly. Great color combination. Like I said, tons of receipts on the car. Just a great car. Full spare, jack, etc. in there. Chrome's in nice shape. There are a few there's a couple teeny dinks right there. Couple small chips. Tiny chips in the chrome, but I'm being picky. Just showing what I'm seeing. There's a teeny one that's touched up. We'll touch that one up, and another little teeny one that needs to be touched up. So all the chrome, the trim, the bright work is very nice on the car. Wipers work as well. Top's in great shape. We just got the car, came in on transportation, so we haven't even had a chance to detail it. Really just kind of a quick wipe down on the car to beat the rain. One more tiny little chip. Again, I'm just being picky, but showing you what I'm seeing. A couple more tiny chips. They will be touched up. Got the correct touch-up pin color for it. But just a really nice car. Oh, that was just a little bit of wax. Find these at www.westportautocenter.com. Again, that's www.westportautocenter.com. If you'd like to fly in and check this out in person, we'll be more than happy to pick you up from the airport. Just forward us your flight itinerary. And we'll be happy to pick you up, take you to one of our 3 warehouses we have. Make sure this is a good fit. We'll put it up on a lift. We'll take it out for a drive. You do not need all the money. We have financing, fantastic financing available. Usually 10% down. It's credit. You know, you have to have good credit to get financing in anything in life. But it's available. Great terms, great interest rates. $30,452 miles. You can see oil pressure gauge. We're at about 60 PSI. Sitting here idling for several minutes. We're at 180. RPM gauge is off just a tad. The clock does not work. Your little interior light does work. So we got all that. Radio. So we're going to take this bad boy for a spin. Please like and share the video. Help us grow the channel. Leave your feedback, comments below. Love to hear from you. If you can't make it in person, we welcome third-party inspections. We'll accommodate them just as well. Put up on a lift, take it out for a drive. But great running. That was me. But there you can see the RPM gauge does work. It's just a tad off. Fun car to drive. Blinkers work as well, your lights work. Wipers work. Horn works. What a great car. Again, you can find all these pictures at www.westportautocenter.com. Or pick up the phone, call me. My name is Mark, 314-346-6039. That's 314-346-6039. Happy to answer any questions you have. Again, we have fantastic financing available for these cars.